In this episode, we will be discussing Arizona tenant failure to maintain rental property. The Arizona Residential Landlord and Tenant Act provides landlords with the following remedy if tenants fail to maintain dwelling units. Materially affecting health and safety. If there is non-compliance by the tenant with the laws discussed in our video titled Arizona Tenant to Maintain Fit Premises, materially affecting health and safety that can be remedied by repair, replacement of a damaged item, or cleaning, and the tenant fails to comply as promptly as conditions require in case of emergency, or within 14 days after written notice by the landlord specifying the breach and requesting that the tenant remedy it, the landlord may enter the dwelling unit and cause the work to be done in a workmanlike manner and submit an itemized bill for the actual and reasonable cost or the fair and reasonable value thereof as rent on the next date when periodic rent is due, or if the rental agreement has terminated, for immediate payment. For additional laws and articles, visit AmericanLandlord.com.